Hello Year 4 and welcome to our 6th maths meeting video. That's right, this is maths meeting number 6. Remember, these maths meetings are exactly the same as we do in school, so you should be able to solve them, no problems. Now before we start, you will need something to write with and something to write on. Make sure you've got those before you carry on. Okay, as the video plays, this pause button will pop up every now and again. That's a sign for you to pause the video, tackle the question on the screen, and then we'll go through the answers together. Okay, you ready? Well then, let's begin. We're going to start by rounding to the nearest 10. Okay, I want you to join in the rhyme with me, nice and loud. Look to your tens, look to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, round down to the 10 that came before. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, round up to the next 10 on the number line. Did you join in nice and loud? Well done if you did. Okay, today we're going to round 709 to the nearest 10. I want you to tackle that now. Okay, so let's have a think. 709 to the nearest 10, that means we have to work out what two multiples of 10 it lies between. Well, it lies between 700 and 710. They're the two multiples of 10 it falls between. When we're rounding to the nearest 10, we need to look at the ones column to help us. That's the column on the right. We've got 9 in our ones column, well that tells us that we're going to have to round up. Let's just double check that on a number line. Halfway between the number line is 705. Well, 709 is a bit bigger than 705, isn't it? So it falls there. Well, straight away we can see that it's much closer to 710 than it is 700. It's only 1 away from 710, but it's 9 away from 700. So that means that 709 rounded to the nearest 10 is 710. Well done if you got that. Okay, let's move on now. Know what Noah knows. We've got 3 calculations there, but with missing numbers. I want to fill in the missing numbers now. Okay, let's see what we got. So 9 multiplied by 6. 9 times 6 equals 54. 4 multiplied by something equals 48. 4 multiplied by 12 equals 48. And something multiplied by 7 equals 21. Something times 7 is 21. 3 times 7 is 21. Well done if you got all 3 of those correct. Okay, let's move on now. Okay, Addison wants us to solve this calculation using the most efficient method. 2000 subtract 321 using the most efficient method. Okay, pause the video and have a go now. Okay, hopefully you used this method. We don't want any columns for this. There's too many zeros in 2000. Hopefully we've gone to our number line. So we know that 2000 is our whole, so it goes at the end of our number line. 328 is one of our parts, and we want to work out the other part. What's going to get us from 328 to 2000? And hopefully your work looks something like this. We add a 2 to that 8 to make 330. Number bonds are 10, 8 and 2 to get to 330. We then want to look at that tens number. We've got 30 there, so we have to add on 70 to get the next nice round 100, which is 400. Now we need to get to our next nice round 1000. We've got a 400, so we have to add a 600 to get to our next nice round 1000. And then we want to get from that 1000 to 2000. Well, that's nice and easy. We add on another 1000, and so we have our number line. But where's our answer? Remember, this is one part, this is the whole, and this is our other part. So we put all those bits together, and our answer is 1,672. 1,672. If you got that, well done. And well done for trying the number line method as well. Okay, let's move on now. Okay, you're going to do some quick fire converting of these measurements now from millimeters to centimeters. I'm going to reveal the measurement in millimeters. I'm going to pause for you to shout out the answer in centimeters. That'll give you the correct answer. Okay, ready? Let's begin. 3 centimetres. 6 centimetres. 2 centimetres. 10 centimetres. 40 centimetres. Next one's a little bit trickier. You've got centimetres and millimetres in each measurement. Centimetres and millimetres. Ready? 8 centimetres, 7 millimetres. 3 centimetres, 5 millimetres. 4 centimetres, 2 millimetres. 15 centimetres, 3 millimetres. Did you shout all those out nice and loud? Well done if you did. Now I want you to pause the video, copy out these measurements and convert them all into centimetres. Okay? Off you go. Okay, we're going to do fact families now. Fact families for this array. Have a look at that array and work out the 2 multiplication and 2 division calculations that you can make using this array. Off you go. Okay, let's begin. We have 3 multiplied by 7 to give us 7, 14, 21. We've got 7 multiplied by 3 to give us 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Remember, multiplication is commutative, so we can swap that 3 and that 7 around to get the same answer. Okay, we've also can do division here. We've got 21 divided by 7. How many 7s in 21? 1, 2, 3. And we've got our whole 21 divided by 3. How many 3s in 21? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done if you got all 4 of those calculations right. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you. Bye-bye.